Thank you. So, awesome insight. I think every day was a new learning. The first key takeaway was the pros and cons, the decision-making tool. The second was the what we did for literal and inferential and love languages. Since I already knew it, that's why I'm not adding it. But then that is also something very important. So yeah, the subjectability, and today what we did, the emotional and the physical sexuality. So I think this just kind of puts together all the differences that can likely crop up between individual personalities who are coming together. So just, disseminate the issue from I want this and you want this to rather go to understand that what is the mental makeup of each of them and explaining that to the client is also very important. It's not just that because you know it, you are going to tackle it with the client and allow the client to do what you say. But bringing that to their awareness is very important. And the common minimum program, the writing and the signing of, I think that would add a lot of value to the relationship.
Perfect, super, thank you. And how confident you are that you will be able to use the model now with your clients?
Yes, very confident.
Super, brilliant.
Thank you so much, sir, for this opportunity. Really can't thank you enough. In fact, why is this really important is one, this is a course for counseling people in relationship problems, like who face relationship problems, one. But when I look back, this is actually a kind of a personal therapy for me because while I was going through all these pointers, models, I mean, I was able to look back in perspective to my relationship. We have been going through a lot of tutu names recently, and this has really opened up my eyes. I've been able to think because I am a physical sexual and my husband's an emotional sexual. And when you actually would talk about so much of examples and from your life, that would really, I mean, take me back to the incidences that would take place between us. And now I really understand how poor husband of mine actually would have felt it through all the torture that I have made them to have, because I would have, I mean, there's been plenty of times I've asked him to talk about things, but he doesn't want, छोड़ो, क्यों बात करना है उसी चीज के बारे में बार बार. So this is a really really lovely course, and I cannot thank you enough for it. One is, I mean, I'll just briefly tell you about the key takeaways, and then I'll take leave, given that baby might actually speak into things. One is the what do you say, the suggestibility, the inferential and the literal. Second is love languages, and third is obviously the huge big sexual traits, and they've been really amazing, and I really really thank all the team, everybody in there for this opportunity. Thank you so much, sir. I'll take your leave too.
Perfect, thank you. Actually, just second, just how confident you are that you will be able to use it with your clients?
Pretty confident now that I have had examples from my life too.
Perfect, super.
Thank you.
Brilliant.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
First of all, the three takeaways. Models were the first one because that's something very interesting, especially the thing we learned today, the sexual traits and everything. Keeping in mind that all the issues and the expectations are covered under them. Second would be the pros and cons analysis. I have mentioned it that we usually know about the pros and cons, but how do we implement it, and what are the further steps for actually in the decision making we use. So that was again very beneficial and efficient. Third would be obviously the CMP, because that's kind of a very resilient action here among the partners. So कि ये करना है और यही नहीं करना है, stuff like that. So that's very interesting, and it's very making the person very able to express. So in very few words, in very shorter period of time, and very non-negotiable way. Apart from that, obviously, I'm very grateful for the opportunities that iChaz have given me. I couldn't really imagine that how helpful and how interesting it could get through all these 4 days. I did not really know कि 4 दिन कहाँ चले गए, and how interesting it got. Yeah, so that was all from my side. Thank you so
Perfect.
much.
And how confident you are that you'll be able to use this with your clients now?
Yeah, I am pretty confident. However, I'll just would require myself to go through the revision of my personal notes and manual again and again. So yeah.
Perfect. But when you actually get a client and you work with them, you will be able to apply this in practice, right?
Yeah, pretty much confident about that.
Super. Brilliant.
Well, thank you so much for in such a brief manner you have explained everything, how we have to start with the session to moving towards the end, concluding the session also. And a subtle difference between the relationship and the individual counseling, the transition. That was a very key feature for me, I felt so. And starting from the first, how the step-by-step, the questions of having the input session with the pros and cons, and the suggestibility part, the literal and the inferential, and as well as the love languages. Yeah, it was, and the core and the surface trait were also very important for me, for takeaway. And today's and the session of the sexuality trait, it had given a very detailed and I can say it was a very quite clear understanding. A lot of clarity was there in understanding part of that. Even I was able to compare with myself also. I was keeping me in that कि मैं कौन से इसमें जा रही हूँ. So it became quite easy for understanding. Yeah. And for me to practice with the client, I may require to go through the notes again with and yes, I'm sure I can go ahead and I can practice with the client. I'm confident about it with a revision. Once or twice I will be doing the revision and I will start with it.
Perfect. Yes.
Manji, first of all, I really want to say thanks to ICHAS for this, especially this thing, relationship wala. Because मेरे को बहुत सारे clients भी ऐसे आ रहे थे and somewhat like I'm also facing so many problems in my own like life. So like बहुत ज़्यादा awareness मिली है मेरे को, especially you know ये जो 3 models we have done. जो भी like और जो था one is with the sexuality वाला and one is suggestibility and then love languages. Love languages I have done before, but like suggestibility and sexuality I think I forgot. So that you know सारा renew हो गया and revise हो गया and now it becomes more clear. And I'm also trying to put myself in which category I'm lying and what all are my mistakes which I'm making, and I like now I will try to improve myself. And my 3 takeaways are, one is that the pro and cons analysis, that is the best, like you know, very nice. And the second is that those 4 possibilities you shared, na, possible like groups, like, so I just want to work with them more, okay, become more clarity in that. That when one is literal and other one is extrovert, then how do we work, and one is inferential and all that. No? And the second and the last one is the CMP, which is basically what I feel is this is more solution focused. कि like resolve कहाँ होनी है चीजें, because we always in the problem most of the time, ये हो गया ये हो गया ये हो गया, but this is, you know, and the way you have explained the session wise, na, that was wonderful, and it becomes so clear now, na, that to work with someone and definitely with ourselves, so hai hai. Okay, thank you, Nitin. Thank you.
And how confident you are that you'll be able to work with clients and apply this?
Yes, I am quite confident for others, but for myself, I have to, you know, do more work on me.
So first of all, thank you, Nitin, and please extend my thanks to Misbah as well for making such a nail in the coffin course. And I think it provides such a good structure to hold. I mean, ideally, if before doing this course, it would like I was facing my own challenges to really understand, and but because I think only one of the concept I knew before was love language before doing the course, but I was so desperately waiting for this course to happen from such a long time, and in short, it was worth everything to you know, to attend all the classes was really worth it. This course provides like
like it helps a person to communicate effectively, like simply being put. And this communication is so necessary. And of course, I had personal effect also while I was doing the course. And my takeaways was literally everything, but few were obviously the CMP, the suggestibility, and even the the whole physical, sexual, and that table was amazing. And yes, intimacy issues is also something which is a taboo in our society, but it is something really, it happens. So I think giving it such a good structure is such a great thing. And I think I'm confident enough to, yes, to do and take them forward in my session. Thank you so much.
Super. Thank you.
First of all, thank you so much, Aichaz and team, for providing me with this opportunity. And for me, this workshop was very much informative and an eye-opener to me. So like I could reflect on my own self, like where I am wrong and on my own relationship. So it was really helpful. And my three takeaways would be firstly, studying about core traits and surface traits. And then secondly, the love languages. And thirdly, where we discussed about sexuality traits. So these are my three takeaways. And if I talk about, being confident enough to practice this, so I would say I would require some more practice, but 2 years from now, when I would be stepping into the professional world officially, I think I would be able to do it.
Perfect.
So yeah, first of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity as well. I think besides being a relationship course, right, I think I was able to understand myself as well a lot in this. It wasn't just about two fictional people. So I think that was great. And yes, definitely sexuality traits. It's like you kind of understand, or like you learn to empathize with the other person when you see that, oh, okay, this is how they're supposed to behave. So I think that really helps, because you just think they're selfish oftentimes for, behaving a certain way, but you fail to understand that maybe they are wired like that because, you are not like that. So I think that really helps. And even the CMP. So especially when you ask one person what you think the other person might value, I think that's very powerful, because it makes you, it equips you with the skill to kind of think from their perspective. So that's really good. And I think at the end of the manual, the session flow that's provided, I think that's really good, because for starters, I think that's a very good reference point, because otherwise we have a lot of information, but we don't know how to pace it. So I think that session flow is something I'll be going back to very often. So yeah.
Perfect. Then. How confident are you that you'll be able to apply this with your clients?
I am confident.